Hello everybody, welcome to another edition of Southern Boys Outdoors with Bruce Mitchell from Swamp People. I mean, you've done a little bit of everything.
I do it all, still do it all.
And fixing to do more. So
fixing to do more, can't talk about it yet.
Can't talk about it, but more to come from Bruce Mitchell.
Definitely.
So, and we decided last week, we went and ate at Don's and we decided, hey, let's go up there and make a hunt. Bruce found time in his schedule to come make a hunt with me, and I wanted to bring him up here, and I needed to bring a blind up here and get my stuff set up for the hunting season.
You brought a house up here, so basically almost. I can live in that little thing.
It is nice. Those shadow hunters are real nice. So anyway, we loaded up a hog gate, and Sunday we headed out.
With a hog.
With a wild hog to bring up here.
Yeah.
And anyway, we stopped in Arkansas, dropped the hog gate off. We made it up late Sunday night.
Yep.
15 hours or better
of
riding with that shadow hunt.
If that blind could hold up under that.
70 plus mile an hour winds for 15 hours straight.
Straight, no stopping hardly.
No stopping hardly. All right, so we made it up, and that night we got up Monday morning and we came over to the old barn. This is the first place I came to, me and Bruce, and we came over here and we looked at everything, and we found a bunch of fresh scrapes and stuff around this old barn that we sitting in right now. And we made our first hunt here Monday afternoon.
Yeah, we were going to look for a place to set up a stand or a blind or something, but this is perfect.
Right.
This is perfect.
Because you can get in here and move around like
walk
you were saying.
around, back and forth.
And then Monday night, we cooked Tyson hamburgers.
Oh, yeah.
Farm raises cattle up here, and we had fresh ground meat.
That's some good meat, too.
And then Tuesday, we went and looked at a new farm, and we decided to move.
Yes.
And we moved, set up a ground blind, and we moved, and we hunted there for 3 hunts.
Got blowed out. The first day, they did have a buck come up on us beside us. I didn't see it. Kinion seen it. I heard it. But it smelled where we crossed and turned around and run back in the woods.
Right.
So, and I think we just too much pressure on that area because nobody's been around there.
Right.
And all of a sudden we in there, we everywhere too.
Yeah.
We walked it, scouting and looking and this and that. We just blowed it out. And they knew we was there, and they just put them on guard.
Right.
So.
And then we cooked a big lasagna Tuesday night.
That was so good.
Lisa Bakari sent up a big lasagna. That's Leon Stilley's sister. Yeah. And it turned out really great.
Super good.
And then wild hog on.
Yeah.
We roasted the wild hog on the Traeger grill.
Yeah.
Had a bunch of people over, and it turned out awesome. I know
awesome
some of y'all probably watched it live and seen what was going on.
Yeah.
But it was good.
They tore that up. I mean, we set the bones out yesterday.
Right.
And the cat and the dog was mad at us because they just was nothing left. They ate everything.
Everything.
And that's good though. That's a good thing.
And then Thursday morning we went back over to the other property, made a hunt, and we decided to come back to the barn.
Picked the stand up or blind, brought it back up, picked everything up, and got out of there. And we made it back in time to do a little evening hunt.
And the Spy Point camera had been sent us and had a real nice buck on camera, and we was anxious to get over here and see if we can't get something down. We had doe. Bruce was ready. Bruce didn't care if he kills a doe or a buck.
No. I was actually
ready.
looking at a cow further down the road here, but they said we couldn't do that.
Yeah, but Bruce was ready.
I need some meat.
Yeah, well, we brought up a wild hog and was going to bring. Bruce wanted to bring something back.
I hate the deadhead. I hate to bring an empty ice chest back home.
Yeah.
We brought a full one up here, and we're gonna bring a full one back. It looks like it.
So we're standing here, right here where we at right now. Yesterday evening and Thursday evening, and Bruce, there's a doe comes around the backside of this barn, and I see her walking up, and I get Bruce's attention. I'm kind of standing behind him. Well, then Bruce kind of moves away from me with a crossbow, and she goes over.
Yeah, tell me what you said.
Bruce was aiming, and then all of a sudden I look out the back of the barn, and I see Mac Daddy, big old buck, standing right there.
Yep.
And I'm like, and about that time I say, Bruce.
Too late. Oh look at all the blood.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's just a steady stream, ain't it? Yeah.
Going this way. What's that? Something going this way. There it is. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh God, look. We got to be right here close. Oh, there she is. There she is. Get it.
Huh?
There she is.
Come on.
That's a big doe.
Huh? Dang, that is a big doe, ain't it?
Boy, boy, boy. Let's see where it come out.
Yeah.
That's a big doe.
That is a big doe, ain't it?
Go.
Y'all, we didn't get it on video. The way she came in, it was a little bit dark. Couldn't get the kill shot on video, but Bruce did put down a nice
Boy, that's
Missouri doe. Real nice.
I ain't never shot a buck in Louisiana this big.
She's big, ain't she?
Okay, now we gotta find my arrow.
Oh, it ain't no telling where it probably passed through, so it's got to be laid on the ground.
I'm kind of thinking about that, Kinion. Oh boy, she didn't go far at all. So that, what she went, 20 yards?
Now, if that, she just made a little circle, a little loop.
She didn't go far at all.
No.
That thing hit hard, huh?
Yeah, that's gonna be some good eating right there, boys.
Boy, Miss Jen's going like that.
Ooh, that's gonna be some good eating right there. Yeah, that's a fine day. Fine deer. Hey, Bruce.
Huh? We're gonna carry it to the truck, and we're gonna drive the truck over here.
Heck no, we're gonna drive the truck over here.
I know that's carry it.
That's where you hit her at. Look at that. That was a good shot. Good shot.
Did something right, because she's right here.
Yeah, she didn't go far.
Yeah.
But boy, that sun's going down in the western sky. Look how pretty that is up behind. Almost got that LSU color, purple and gold to it. But anyway,
I'm telling you, boy, it don't
Bruce
get no better than this.
Bruce done got him a big old doe on the ground and some kind of pumped up.
You know, that boy on that crossbow just knock him down. You know, it's just, you know, it just surprised me how much and how fast that arrow was.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, and when we got in there, you remember I reached through there and I broke them few little limbs in there.
Good thing you
did.
did.
Shot right through them little limbs.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we broke out just a little hole there, so
that's all I had was a little peephole.
Yeah, that was a good shot, Bruce.
And
you talk about a big doe.
Oh yeah. It took me and Kinion both to load her up. We drug her over there. It took us both to drag it out. And then we got it to the truck. I picked up the leg, Kinion grabbed the leg, and I grabbed the body, and we like still not got that thing in there.
Yeah, and then I had to get in the back of the truck.
Yeah.
To get her in there, we had to load her up like one of the big old alligators.
Yeah, definitely.
Had to roll her up in there.
But we got her in there, and we went over there and skinned the deer, cut it all up, deboned it, and everything else. Dropped it in the ice chest with ice, and then we come back and we pigged out. All right, got my deer, got it skinned, got me some jambalaya. It's all coming together.
What you got there, Bruce?
Some good old jambalaya.
Ooh, sweet.
I'm ready to tear it up.
Tear it up.
Let's go get it, eat it.
What about it, Nathan?
Looks awful
You ready
good.
to dig in or what?
Yeah.
Nathan just helped to skin Bruce's doe. So then we're going to treat him to a little jambalaya. Hey, we appreciate everybody following us on Southern Boys Outdoors, on Bruce Mitchell page, also on LeBlanc Skinning Shed. Paul. Always got to give our buddy Paul a shout out. Definitely. Appreciate all y'all following us and enjoying our lives and everything. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right here. Hit subscribe. Also, YouTube Bruce Mitchell, and subscribe to his page also. Got anything else, Bruce?
Yeah, I'm ready to go cook that backstrap.
All right, guys, we're finna go cook some backstrap.
We are out of here in biscuits.
Backstrap and biscuits.
Ooh, don't get no better than that.
It don't get no better than that.
All right, bro.
Hey,
I
guys,
sure appreciate it.
Awesome shot.
Thank you for the hunt. I know you've been wanting to get me up here a couple of years. But finally, everything worked out, and I just had a ball, y'all. It's totally different than what I'm used to, but it's just I like different things.
Right.
It's fine though. I like this old barn. I put me a cotton here and just stay here.
That's it. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Thank y'all.
Thank y'all. Bye bye.